can always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today I'm actually excited to do this video because there's some heat that I do want to cover for you guys. We got some sneaker news, some Supreme news, some designer news, a bunch of shit, and this is typically my favorite kind of video to do because I do get to talk about different stuff other than just Supreme. But if you guys do end up enjoying this video, man, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Make sure you hit those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. Please help me reach this 17,000 subscriber goal by next Thursday. It is my B-day on that day, and it would mean a lot if you guys helped me out on that. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So this week we got a bunch of stuff to talk about. I am gonna start with the fact that this season we might be seeing Supreme box logo long sleeves. It's been rumored to be coming for mad long, and honestly we never get it, but this season it's looking like we might actually see it. We have official pictures of the actual shirt printed, not just mock-ups like we usually get. There's actually a white one with the red box logo if I'm not mistaken, and one more color on there. I'm gonna give you guys some sample colorways that could be possible, but it is being said that we might get these. I'm actually really excited about that, and I do hope that it's the regular logo, not that cross logo shit that they're doing this season. Honestly, I'm still gonna go for the box logo for this season, but I feel like it would be fire if we just get a little simple, untampered, not a bandana, not a cut off logo, not a cross logo, none of that shit, just a simple original BOGO. That would be hard. It would even be cooler if it was sewn in, but I doubt that will be the case on these tees. I still feel like resale will be there. People will definitely want to get these. They don't ever really do long sleeves, so these are going to be A1 whenever they do release. Now on other Supreme news, it's rumored that we're going to get the binoculars, obviously from the lookbook, and they're saying that those only have 182 being produced, so that's probably going to drive the hype a little bit more. Honestly, I'm still not a fan of it. In all honesty, I could really care less about that. I'm not out here spying on some Disturbia shit. I'ma definitely leave the binoculars to the side. For whoever does want to buy that, I'm smooth taking a seat on that piece. But we do have this S logo TNF collab, which I'm assuming is gonna release this upcoming week for week 6. I'm not guaranteed, but it's just my prediction. I feel like we might be seeing those TNFs come out shortly. We saw Box by Jay post a picture about it. He also listed a couple items that we should be seeing released, from a parka to a mountain jacket, some mittens, a sleeping bag, a tee, and then a hoodie as well. There might also be a shoulder bag. I'm going to show you guys some mock-ups now of the actual pieces. I feel like these mittens are actually not bad if you're going like hiking or something like that in the winter. Personally, I probably would just stay away from these. I still think the S is cool on it and everything. I'll probably end up skipping on that. We do have the shoulder bags, which actually look fire. I don't know why Supreme hasn't done an S logo bag in the past. I feel like this bag is actually clean, definitely in that black colorway for me, but all three colorways are fire. I would definitely lean towards the black. For the personal, that's the one that I kind of like more, but the red is still fire. I just like how the S pops on the black one. These are mock-ups, so take it with a grain of salt. This isn't exactly what it's gonna look like, but it is a possibility. We have the sleeping bag, which is actually a banger. You have that checkerboard logo on the inside, and then you have that big S on the front. I don't know if it'll look exactly like this, but honestly I feel like this is something that Supreme would do, and it's possible that this might be what it looks like. I'm a huge fan of the S logo, and I feel like the S logo TNF isn't disappointing. I feel like they haven't done it before if I'm not mistaken, and I just hope they execute it the right way. We do have the tee and the hoodie. Honestly, I don't know exactly what these are gonna look like, but it's this dude just climbing up an icy mountain, literally with a pick just hanging for his life. You have the TNF logo, the Supreme box logo, but these are mock-ups, so I don't know exactly what these two designs will look like. The tee is more than likely gonna look just like the sweater because they are titled the same according to Box by Jay. Now that we're done talking about Supreme, let's talk about some sneakers real quick. A lot of these sneakers that I'm covering in this video I'm actually really excited for, like the Lightning Jordan 4s. These shits are a banger. If you know Jordans, you know that this is one of those Jordans that everybody back in the day wanted. I'm a huge fan of these, bro. The fact that they're they're rumored to be releasing next year is crazy, bro. I'm definitely gonna go for these. I hope that people sleep. I low-key need the cool grays and the black cats. I feel like I slept on those, and prices are gonna start creeping up, and unfortunately I haven't got them yet. Them shits was bricks and now they're going for beans. I'm gonna try to pick those up, but these lightning 4s without a doubt are gonna come home with me. These originally released in like 06 if I'm not mistaken, around that area, and I feel like when I saw these in person for the first time, it wasn't even in 06 or no shit like that. It was probably like 2010. These are fire, bro. These are rumored to release August 2021, which is fire, but we do have some super recent news, and it is the Travis Scott Jordan 1 inverted. So basically all the white parts would be the brown parts. I don't know exactly what the hell is going on, but all I know is that they do look fire. They inverted that brown spot on the front with the white. I feel like he just should have played with a whole different color. In all honesty, these might be samples or friends and family, because I don't think he would do the same exact sneaker reversed. It just doesn't make sense, but it does look alright. Honestly, I'm still a fan of the Jordan 1 Travis Scott's OG. I don't want this shit right here. Just play with a different color, bro. Throw a little bit of olive on there or something, bro. Sprinkle some olive on these Jordan 1s. Don't hit me with the same thing reversed. Don't do that, bro. Like, just let it be. Low-key, I still need those, bro. I still need the Cactus Jack Jordan 1s. But speaking of olive, we are seeing official pictures of the Travis Scott Jordan 6. I don't know the exact name for these. It's honestly slipping my mind, but I do know that these are like the tan colorway. You have like this infrared hit on the bottom and inside the bubble. If I'm not mistaken, the logo on the back is also in red, or like the pull tab, but these are fire. I kind of do like these way more, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like the OGs are better, but these are still clean. If you missed out on those, I would definitely try to go for these. If they do end up releasing, we don't have any official dates. All I know is that Bloody Osiris did post a picture in these, and they do look clean, bro. I just don't know if they're better than the olive colorway. So on October 1st, which is my B-day, we are gonna be seeing these dunks from Off-White. There's gonna be 3 different colorways. I believe that one of the colors is region exclusive for like Europe or something like that. These blue ones are kind of mediocre, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. These dunks are kind of cheeks. The only ones that I kind of am a fan of, or I'm trying to like them type shit, are these black and neon green colorway. The other ones are cheeks, bro. I don't know what he's doing over there at Off-White Nike. I honestly don't know what to say about these dunks. I feel like they're still gonna be resell. It's still Off-White, it's still Virgil, but if these aren't super limited, bro, I don't know exactly how well these will do. The first dunks are still hovering around that 500-600, so I don't think these will do too much better than that. All I know is that Black Friday, November, this year, we're gonna be getting the fire red Jordan 4s. Honestly, I like these, but I just hope that this is one step closer to the military blues dropping again. I need those, bro. Those are like my favorite Jordan 4s. Obviously, I hold a little spot in my heart for these, the undefeateds, and all those super high price shits. But when it comes down to it, the military blue Jordan 4s are it for me. That super light gray on it, that blue is just perfect, bro. But too much about those Jordan 4s. Let's talk about these fire reds. I feel like these shits are still hard. I'm honestly gonna go for these simply because I want the militaries. But honestly, if I end up taking an L on these, I wouldn't be too pissed. I'd probably just pay resell for cool grays or black cats. I feel like those are both better than these. That's just my opinion, my unpopular, undisputed opinion. I still think those are fire, bruh. Apparently there's a Yeezy 350 V3 in the works. These look like when you go to the mall and they got sneakers on the stand that you stomp your foot and it light up. That's what these look like right here, but I'm talking shit now. I feel like when these drop, people are gonna be riding the meat of this sneaker, and it doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna give it a shot, bro. I just feel like it's the same shit, same sole, same sneaker. It's the same shit, bro. It's just a new pattern. Like, give us a different shape, something, bro. Do something with it. Like, change the ridges on the bot. Do something. It's the same exact shit in a different color, bro. All right, so the last thing I'm gonna talk about for this video is the fact that you have a chance to get one of 15 or one of 5, I don't know exactly the number, of the Travis Scott Happy Meal toy or some shit like that. It's like a little figure of him holding the Happy Meal. There's like 15 only, and they're only releasing in the US. I forgot exactly how you could have a chance to buy it, but all I know is that these are gonna go for bread. He has the Travis Scott Jordan 1s on his feet. He got like like the little necklaces and shit. This is fire. If you do have the chance to get this, I would definitely say go for it, because this is gonna be worth so much bread. It's honestly kind of ridiculous. But that pretty much does it for this video, man. If you guys did enjoy, you know what to do, bro. Just make that red button at the bottom gray. That's all you have to do, bro. Literally just hit the subscribe button and you'll have good luck for the rest of 2020. We all need it. Smash that like button down below if you did enjoy this video. Once again, subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. But with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.